Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be making some popcorn. Wait a minute. That's not going to work. How am I going to make popcorn? Oh, I know. I'm going to make it on the stovetop. Alright, what I'm going to do, I've got a deep pot here, probably 6 inches deep. And to that pot I'm going to add a layer of, let's just use bacon grease today. Not too much. Just want to cover the bottom of the pan. What is that, maybe a tablespoon? Should be plenty. And then to that, I'm just going to just fill the bottom of the pan, about 1 layer of popcorn kernels, and then I'm going to turn the heat on. Started out a good medium to medium high. Have the lid handy. Have time enough to go put my popcorn back up. You don't have to use bacon grease. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, something like that. Some kind of oil that can accept a lot of heat and not smoke and ruin your popcorn. It's getting close. I hear that oil getting hot. When it starts popping, I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit more so the popcorn doesn't scorch. And there it goes, it's starting. Don't know if y'all saw that one fly out. Tastes good. And then I just shake the pan like so. Probably start turning the heat down a little bit. Try to keep the kernels on the bottom where they're in the oil and getting popped thoroughly. If it starts slowing down, just turn the heat back up a little bit. Don't need a fancy popcorn maker to make some good popcorn, that's for sure. We're chooching right along now. And when it gets to this point, add a little bit of butter right at the end. And that will melt down in there. Don't want to add the butter at first because it'll scorch and ruin the popcorn. Kind of work that butter down in there. See, it's already gone. And then put it in my popcorn bowl. Pretty well popped all the kernels. Give it a little sample. Oh yeah, that's good. So once again, this has been making popcorn on the stovetop. Thank you for watching.